Against a 6'5" goalkeeper, you need every bit of that corner, and it's saved again. And he takes now in the third round for Argentina. And scores. First two, John Yeboah from Germany, might have been playing for the Germans at the Euros. He switched to Ecuador this year, and he delivers, and boy, did they need him to. They needed to, because Argentina up for Argentina. This would put Argentina on the verge of victory. Yes. And he got a kick to a touch or something, but it is 36. He can win this shootout for his country with this kick. Yes! My goodness, do these guys know how to get it done, no matter how. Doesn't matter how, it just matters that they do. And great teams can find ways to win, even not on their best nights. And boy, it took penalties. Not the best Argentina performance we've seen through this tournament, but yet under pressure. They've got difference makers. You've got Martinez in the net, who saves the first two penalties. Messi misses a penalty tonight. Messi has a quiet night. He's coming off of injury. But yet the supporting cast once again is there to pick up their star man. And Argentina punched their ticket to the semifinals.